On our Danube cruise, we have 48 hours in Vienna, the imperial capital. We're going to take you inside the most exclusive concerts and taste the world's most famous chocolate cake.
Out of 10, I'd give it a good 6.
Is it a tourist trap or a dream come true? Let's find out. Yesterday we toured the Danube through Austria, from Melk Abbey and the Warkau Valley.
I think I need a whiskey.
Through to Dürnstein.
Don't ask me about Dürnstein.
Overnight the ship continued along the Danube, arriving bright and early in the capital of Vienna. Vienna is the city of music, the city of dreams, and the city where everyone seems to live in a palace.
Welcome to Vienna.
It's so beautiful already.
This morning we're off on a walking tour of the city. Vienna consistently ranks as one of the most livable cities in the world, which is impressive considering the amount of cobblestones. The city reeks of beautiful palaces, grand courtyards, and many tributes to the ruling Habsburgs who put Austria on the map.
This is the centre of town.
This is St. Stephen's Square.
In front of St. Stephen's.
This impressive Gothic church has been the site of many famous Viennese occasions, including Mozart's marriage and funeral.
You become a bit jaded about cathedrals.
Then you find another one that blows you away.
Yeah.
They're not all the same.
And you can get a world of souvenirs.
A world of souvenirs is what it says on the label. A mountain of t-shirts, fridge magnets, cups, and everything kitsch.
Strauss rubber duck.
We have escaped the world of souvenirs, not without buying some. You have to, don't you?
After our free time, we rejoin the walking tour to continue back towards the bus and return to the ship.
I'm just showing how nice they make it after we tear it apart.
They do, don't they? They do a great job. It's nice to know you don't have to worry.
Everything's all wonderful. Sit outside and it's a nice day. It was a little chilly this morning, but it's nice now. Tonight we're off for a drunken and debaucherous concert somewhere in the city, Liechtenstein Castle, to listen to some classical music and have a few cocktails.
Yes.
We'll see you there.
We're heading off-ship for a night of champagne and music. The Liechtenstein City Palace is otherworldly in its opulence and stateliness.
Oh, I've never been in a room like this. Honestly, choose this seat.
Oh, yes.
What we experienced was nothing more than pure grandeur. From the Austrian classics to the high drama of German opera. And to the blue Danube. We were all spellbound by this breathtakingly beautiful performance.
Far out. How good was that? Unbelievable. So good. How was that?
Well, you did pinch me, and I know it's real. Yeah, it was all my dreams come true, I think. It's fabulous.
Breathtaking.
Oh, yeah. Well, it was wonderful.
Wonderful.
The next morning, we arrived for a tour of the summer residence of the Habsburgs, Schönbrunn Palace. It was originally a hunting lodge until they decided it needed 1,441 rooms. It was transformed in the 1700s by Empress Maria Theresa, the mother of Europe. She raised 16 children here, including the famous Marie Antoinette. Nothing to lose your head over. For over 600 years, the Habsburgs were the ultimate inbred power brokers of Europe. They didn't just rule Austria. Through strategic marriages, they ruled half of Europe. The palace was built with one goal in mind, to rival the Palace of Versailles. The Habsburgs wanting to prove that they were just as powerful as the French.
I think we might put in an offer on this place.
What about all that cheap yellow paint though? Yeah.
Schönbrunn Palace stands today as a monument to a family that didn't just want to rule the world, they wanted to own it too.
It's easier to get your picture taken here than at the Trevi Fountain.
If you haven't seen our video on Rome, I'll leave a link up in the corner. What do you think of a new place? This season on the block, 10 teams are renovating 152 rooms each.
After failing to buy a palace, we left to eat like emperors. The Café Sacher is home of Vienna's world-famous Sacher Torte, a chocolate recipe so secret they've been fighting over it since 1832.
When in Vienna,
Have a torte.
or a Viennese strudel.
This is the Sacher Café, famous for the torte.
Looks delicious. Lovely.
Perfect. 3 different kinds of chocolate you can eat.
Right. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be really heavy. And a hot chocolate. This is lunch.
All gone.
If I had a half-empty suitcase, I'd probably consider going to the shop next door.
So how many times have you had chocolate cake for lunch?
Probably once.
Out of 10, I'd give it a good 6.
Yeah, I was surprised. The famous chocolate ganache tasted like it had icing sugar in it.
Yeah.
As sugar crush imminent, we walked it off by heading to the nearby Imperial Treasury. This is where the Habsburgs kept the family silverware and gold and diamonds. It's an overwhelming display of wealth. There's been over 50 emperors who ruled over Austria, including 12 Habsburgs. That makes for a lot of coronations, needing the clothes, paintings, jewels and other regalia to go with them. Apparently, if your face didn't appear in a coronation painting, it was seen as a snub.
It's not important that all the crown jewels were stolen by the Nazis, hidden away in a cave somewhere, and rescued by George Clooney and Matt Damon.
Maybe they don't want to remember.
I thought there would have been something about the monuments men. But they're there now. That's what's important. Well, we mastered the Italian subway system, so this one must be a piece of cake. Look at the masters in public transport. Piece of cake. Well, that was a fun little adventure in Vienna. We saw a palace and got some Sacher Torte and strudel, and we saw the crown jewels. Wow, what are they? Tomorrow, another country. We're off to Budapest in Hungary. They banked them up 3 across, so we have to walk through 2 boats to get to our boat. So I'll show you what it looks like to walk through 2 other boats. Through one. To Amsterdam. No room. again, home again. 2 more sleeps.
2 more sleeps.
See you later. Welcome to Budapest in Hungary. Pretty spectacular.
Next time we explore stunning Budapest,
Very nice. Hello.
seeing the sights, the history,
The hand of St. Stephen in a glass case, all
and
shriveled
the
up.
tastes of this stunning city.
Hungarian pizza and salad. And now I'm about to ruin it. This is not fair. Go away. I can't pick it up.
Join us